Hi there everybody, I'm coming to you today with a very fun STEM activity from NASA where we are going to get to build our own paper rockets with a straw, some tape, and some paper. So, let's get started. If you are a visual learner, follow along with the directions that are going to be a part of our Facebook post. That will have pictures that will show you step by step how to follow along making your rocket. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have everything that I need laid out right here. I have my tape on the edge of the table, which will come in handy a little bit later. It'll make it a little easier to get to the tape because you're going to have your hands full while you're making our rocket. So first, we're going to take our pencil and we are going to take our long piece of paper. If you are following along with the directions, it will have the template of what you do need to cut out. Otherwise, this will give you kind of an idea of the shapes that you need to cut out. So, we are going to take our long piece of paper and we are going to wrap it towards the top of our pencil so that it is covering the sharpened part as well. So, once you have that together and all wrapped up, take a piece of tape, and that's why I said it's a little easier to keep your tape off to the side and ready to go for when you need it, because like I said, you will have your hands full during this project. So then you can take another piece of tape and you can wrap it around the bottom so that you have your paper wrapped around your pencil pretty tight so that we can keep it all together. So once you have that ready to go, our next step will be, if you haven't already cut out your fins, then you will do that. If you're using the template, you'll follow that and cut those out, and then you will cut those in half so we have our fins, our wings for each side of our rocket. So then we will take those and we will put them again right on top and right on the bottom, and then you will tape those on. You want them to try and be right on top of each other. So if I have this one here, I'm going to want to flip it and put my wings directly on the other side. So then we'll tape that on there. So now you can kind of see that it's starting to look like a rocket. So our next step will be to bend those fins so that they're at a 90-degree angle, meaning that they are sticking almost straight up so that you kind of get that look of a rocket ship all around it. Once we have that all good to go, then we will form the cone. So that's why we need the pencil, because on a rocket ship you see that there's a cone shape to the top, and our pencil, our sharpened end, gives us that cone shape. So it's really important to make that cone shape as airtight as you can, because our rocket will not fly if it has anywhere where air can escape. So I will need one more piece of tape. And it is, again, important to make sure that that tape is fully covering any place where air could come out on your rocket. So once you have that all good to go and you have that cone shape on the top of your rocket, what you are going to do is you are going to take your straw and you are going to slide your pencil out and put your straw in there, and then you will have your rocket. So this one I can see has an air hole at the top of it, so this one's not going to work for us. I know that this one that I made a little earlier does work. So once you have your rocket and it looks like it is all ready to go, you have no air holes or anything, you are ready to take your rocket and and shoot it. So, if you have any questions about how to make the rocket, make sure that you ask on our Facebook page or reach out to us so that we can help you make that. Otherwise, have fun launching your rockets, and I will be back with some more activities a little later in the week, and I'll have all different kinds of activities for us. Have a great day. If you like this activity and would like to check out some more of our Boys and Girls Club activities that we have for you, then make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the other videos that we have available as well for you to do. Have a great day.